Okay, so it's time to pick the winner of the Hobbymate Meteor frame, and it's been running for a couple weeks now. Let's go ahead and load up the comments. And I don't look at a lot of people entered this particular contest. I think the video didn't get a lot of views and only about 200 some entries, so we're going to pick some here. Okay, one comment, one like from her Pippi, and it's got the right hashtag. That's pretty sure this guy's a subscriber. I've seen him comment before. Just double check. It's got a big, there I am, a big subscription list. So congratulations to her Pippi. You have 48 hours to claim your prize. Leave one comment down below in this video with your email address so I can get in touch with you. That will indicate that you've claimed your prize. If you don't claim your prize within 48 hours, I will select another winner. Congratulations again to her Pippi, and thanks everyone for participating in this giveaway. If you missed the other giveaways that I have going on, there's still like 3 or 4 other giveaways currently going on my channel right now. Look out for those videos. They've been going on for the last couple weeks, so you want to make sure you enter those if you haven't entered those yet. If you missed those videos, check out the previous videos on my channel so you can get entered into those contests. Anyway guys, thanks for entering the contest, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one.